HeKate's Crossing. Today we're using Echoes of Nature. Okay, this is from Tarot Oracle. Unfortunately, this may be now an OPP deck because this was just a limited edition. But I love working with this energy. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's look at today's message with the Echoes of Nature. Okay, first one we have is small influences. So what's influencing you today? What's influencing you with the actions you take, the decisions you make? Okay, here we've got a sense of approaching success. So we can have success in our life by looking at what's influencing us at this time. Might be listening to what is going on seems to be really important. To listen carefully, not to be speaking too much, but to actually sit in silence and actually look at things from a bigger perspective. Look at things from a bigger aspect. Look at what's actually going on further out from just your world. Oops, one more card flew out here. It's about weeds and flowers. So it's a sense of taking away the stuff that doesn't serve you well and allow you that ability to see what can grow and see the beauty of the whole situation and look at what's going to allow you to develop and grow within yourself, to bloom, to develop. So look at what's influencing you at this time, allowing you to actually, when you're actually aware of what's influencing you and you're able to listen and look further out into the bigger picture, if you like, and sort out the things that don't serve you well and the things that are going to allow you to develop and grow. It allows you to approach the success that you want in your life. It allows you to actually reach your desires and the goals that you actually have for yourself. So that's today's message with the Echoes of Nature from Tarot Oracle. So I'm waiting for his second deck, the Waterfall Tarot, to finish with Kickstarter, of course, which is in the next 24 hours. By the time this will upload, of course, this will be okay. Take care and blessed be. Thank you for being with HeKate's Crossing.